Hello, it's time to learn about the Files tab within Teams. So the last video was about posts, and then we're going to click on this next one here, which is for Files. Now this is kind of like SharePoint. If you've ever used that, it can be linked to SharePoint, but for now, we're just going to work within Teams. And you'll see that there's already a folder here automatically, and that just has any class materials in it, which at the moment is nothing. But we are going to change that. So what I would like to do is upload a few instructional videos, and then I'll show you how you can link them into the feed, like the posts feed as well. But I want to organize them by what they are. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a folder. So if I click on new here and folder, I'll be able to enter that I want to put some instructional videos in this space. And within instructional videos, if I go into this folder, I've got 2 videos that I want to post so far, and I'm going to add some other ones to it later. But the next thing I want to do after creating new is upload. So I'm currently in instructional videos. I'm going to upload files from my computer, and that is going to be this one and this one. So these are the videos that I've recorded earlier. So if I go open, you'll notice up here it says that it's uploading 2 items. It might take a few moments to be able to do that. Now the good thing about this is that once they are uploaded, people can download them to their own computer if they want to work offline and be able to access them. So I'll be able to show you that a little bit later. So you'll see that these 2 have now successfully uploaded, which means they're available to anyone within the team. Now, I'm going to show you how we could actually use that or link it to a certain time in our posts. So for example, if I go back to posts here, and the first thing I want to post today is the video about creating a team, which I just uploaded. So I'm going to just collect my description for that, so you don't have to hear me typing in your ear. So if I go start a new conversation here and create, the video is creating a team. There's my little description of it, and then I'm going to use the paperclip to attach something. Now I could upload the video from here, from my computer if I like, or I can browse teams and channels to take information from my files and link it directly to the posts. So if I click on that, instructional videos is where we were, and I would like to upload this one here. And so what it will do is it's already uploaded, so now it will just create a link to that document. Now if I post that, that's the first one, you'll see it there, and for the students it will look like this. So if you click on it, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to make a team within Microsoft. Bit of video inception there, but you get the idea. So the video is now uploaded into Teams. They won't have to go anywhere else like YouTube or EdTube or anything like that to be able to watch it. They can watch it within Teams if it's successfully uploaded there. So we'll hit close on that one. And that's all I want to show you.